Hi everyone, this clip shows exactly what it means when we say poor drivers never go the wrong way, good ones do. The car to watch is this one.
I think that's cheating.
Let's go back through this slower and see just how risky this was. This white oncoming car is not going to expect this to happen. The black car is trusting that the white car is going to keep a good line. What if it doesn't? This is also at rush hour when drivers are less likely to be paying full attention. What if they were distracted? Next is the van driver behind. They're not going to expect the vehicle in front to do this, so we're going to go to continue as the arrow says that they can. The highway code does say to proceed with caution, but they could easily keep going just a fraction too quickly and clip the back left corner of this black vehicle. The next issues are more potential, but just as important. Why is the stop line positioned so far back? Buses do take this route. The lanes are narrow. If a bus wants to come from either the left or the right, they do have to creep into the other lane. Yes, again, they should be doing it safely, but that black car should not be there. I choose to believe that this vehicle ahead was just in the wrong lane, rather than pushing to the front. In which case, if you're in the wrong lane, go with it. Go the wrong way, reroute. So much safer than pulling off a stunt like this. What would you have done in this situation? And what other potential risks and hazards could this have caused? Please leave your comments, like, share and subscribe for more clips. Thank you.